something I've wanted to go for a very long time, but I haven't really had a chance to sort of, I guess, get around to doing it. I'm not actually driving today, but I've been invited up on like a special private day to sort of spectate, see what it's about, and then probably jump on one of these when the next one happens. But it's pretty wicked. Been watching a couple of the cars, obviously on track. There's like two of them. I know it's not a Chase, it's like a JZX 100 or something like that, and a BM at the minute. It's pretty wicked. Audio's going to be pretty dark, so I'm not got my mic on currently, but I'll put it on in a bit. Hopefully be able to get some laps in with someone as well. Be able to jump in a couple of cars. It's going to get really loud now to the cars. That is gorgeous. Cars here are lovely. Like, there's some really nice cars, and everyone seems pretty sound from what I've spoke to so far. So enough of me rambling. Enjoy the content that I get, and yeah, should be a good one.